Okay, today I'm going to show you how to work this stitch pattern. It's a very beautiful, lightly textured stitch that works up really easily. To begin this stitch combination, you're going to need to begin with a starting row that you can build off of an odd number of stitches. For the sample today that I'm going to be working, I have 15 single crochets that I'm going to build off of. It doesn't matter if it's single crochets, double crochets, half double crochets, just an odd number of stitches when you want to begin the pattern. So again, I have 15 single crochets that we're going to build off of. I'm going to chain one and turn, and in your very first stitch you're going to work a single crochet. You're going to begin every single row with a single crochet and end each row with a single crochet. Now the stitch pattern repeat is simple. It is a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and complete your half double crochet. Then you're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on hook to complete your single crochet. And that is it. So you're going to work a half double crochet in the next stitch, a single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, half double, single, half double, and in your last stitch you're going to work a single crochet. And that is your first row of the stitch pattern. For your next row, you're basically going to repeat row one. So you're going to chain one, turn, begin with a single crochet in your first stitch, and then you're going to work a half double crochet in the next one, and then a single crochet, and repeat across. Half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, a single crochet, and we're going to repeat this to the end of our row. Okay, so we've already worked 2 rows of the repeat, so we're going to chain one, we're going to turn, and again with that first stitch you're going to work a single crochet, and then begin that same exact repeat. Half double crochet, single crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. One thing to keep in mind is you will be working all of your half double crochets in top of half double crochets, and you'll work all your single crochets in top of single crochets. One way to easily see this is a half double crochet has this back bar on the stitch. So if you see that back bar, so you insert your hook right here, that is going to be a half double crochet. If the stitch does not have that back bar, it's a single crochet. Okay, so an easy way, if you happen to put your project down and pick it back up, if there's no back bar here, it's a single crochet. If there is this back bar, this is what I refer to as the back bar right here, you're going to work a half double crochet. Okay, and you just repeat this for as many rows as you want, and you will get a very subtle texture that makes your stitches look very pretty and a little bit more interesting than just a simple single crochet.